is Alblock.io the new code mine for AI training jobs, or are we looking at another way? So many people have been talking about Alxblock.io. Thought it is best I actually make a video on it so we can actually go through this website together. All right. So now, guys, this is the interface of this website. All right, this is the interface of this website, and guys, as you can see right here, the updates right here. The updates. Let me show you. The updates. So according to what we have here, you can help build the future of AI. Join global community of annotators, transcribers, and language experts. Let's put remote work on projects for the world's leading AI teams. And of course, guys, let me scroll down a little bit so that we can actually understand what we have right here. So this is what you will work on: audio recording and transcription, text and dialogue annotation, audio collection, and of course AI evaluation and RLHF. So now why join Alxblock? And according to them right here, they have competitive pay, fair transparent rates, get paid in diverse payment options, bank transfer, stable coins, Payoneer, flexible hours, and you can work when you want, where you want, set your own schedule around your life. And they have AI powered support, recognition and growth, global community, and trusted platform right here. So now this is what they are looking for on Alxblock.io. They are looking for native speakers in any language, transcription, English, and linguistics, domain expert, medical, legal, finance, and tech. They are looking for detail-oriented annotators, and of course, voice actors and audio recording professionals, and anyone passionate about AI training data projects. So now this what they provide with, and according to them right there, they provide hands-on training and guidelines for everyone. So this is what the app right there. You start application, browse available projects, apply, do the test, and onboard. So now if you're ready to get started, you want to join thousands of contributors building the future of AI, and you want to click on apply now. And now they have the so when you click on apply now, you can get the view available jobs. So now now you can see the next generation of AI with your expertise, 100% remote and flexible, guaranteed pay, starts right away. So guys, you simply want to create an account to actually get started on the Alxblock.io. So now these are the available jobs on Alxblock.io. So right there we have this, and we have another right there. We have loads of them right there. So guys, let me know if you are going to apply to these jobs right there. If you're going to apply, let me know in the comment section, and let me know what you think about this platform. All right, they have loads of them right here. So if you're going to apply to jobs right here on this platform, please let me know in the comment section and let me know your thoughts. So guys, this is what I have for you today. Please subscribe if you're able to subscribe, and like this video. I'll see you in the next one.